Yo, man, you won't believe this, but we got a jet ski in the ATL going down the highway on the jet ski. Funny stuff right here, my man. It's on a motorcycle jet ski, y'all. This is crazy. Only in Atlanta, baby. Only in Atlanta.